Okay, friends, so I just made a quick stop in to Walmart because I'm really interested in seeing their new pots. Last year they had some really amazing garden pots, so I'm curious to see pots they do have now. So let's just go into the aisle. Okay. Oh my gosh, these are really nice. Oh my goodness, I already see ones that look at these black and white ones. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Oh my goodness, my heart. These are so nice. I'm just slowly taking taking things in. But oh my goodness, for sure I'm gonna grab one of these because how nice. And the price on these 24.97. Oh my gosh, look at these. You know my love for checkered pots, and these are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely going to grab a few of these. Whoops. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Absolutely love. I love these. Love, love, love. It's so gorgeous. Imagine this filled with your favorite plant. Oh my gosh. And it does come with a drainage hole. So perfect for whether you want to actually plant it. How beautiful this one is. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely going to grab one of these. The beauty, you know, my love for black and white and checkered. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. Gosh, how pretty are these? Okay, friends, so I am back home, as you can see, on my patio, and I did treat myself to a few new items from the garden center. So previously you saw that I went to Walmart and I did saw some really lovely garden pots there, and I did treat myself to a few of the pieces because I just love the collection. They're just so beautiful. So let me just show you what I did pick up. So friends, this is one of the pots that I did treated myself to. These are just so beautiful. I absolutely love them. I mean, when I saw the black and white stripes and the checkered, I knew for sure that I was going to purchase some of them. I absolutely love these. So these are quite versatile. They are ceramic. So as for me, I am going to be styling these up here on my patio. I also going to have them at some point inside my home because I just love these so much. They are so beautiful and so well made. I knew for sure that when I saw them, I was going to bring home a few pieces with me. So this is one of them. I did treat myself to two of these. So the other one is just right behind you. So I did treat myself to two of these. My gosh, please ignore the birds in the background. I am outside. Anyways, I did pick up this really beautiful one. As you can see, I do love black and white. So I did pick up this really lovely one here. I don't know, for some reason, I just love the design. It feels very much modern, and I just love that. Oh gosh, these are just so beautiful. So I have this one here. Did pick up two of those. So this is the other one that I do have. As for this one, I do have it potted up with some peace lilies. I absolutely love peace lily. I hope that this little one does bloom. I did found it in some corner in the garden growing in the ground, and I did uproot it and plant it in here. but this is what it's looking like, all potted up. I absolutely love this. So I'm just going to pop this one right here. So I also did stop in to Home Depot because they have some really beautiful hydrangeas at the moment, and I have such an obsession with hydrangeas. They are my favorite plant, my favorite flower. Unfortunately, I do live here in the very hot state of Florida. What I do notice that they do well in pots. So I do have a few from last season in pots. I actually did not plant them out or repotted them. I just kept them in the pot because I know that they need a particular soil, which I guess I have to purchase some soil for it. Anyways, I'm going off on a tangent. Let me show you the beautiful hydrangeas that I did. These are some of the beautiful hydrangeas that I did treated myself to from Home Depot. Oh my goodness. These are so gorgeous. Let me just pop it right here real quick. But oh my gosh, how beautiful are these hydrangeas. So, oh, they're just so lovely. Oh my gosh, my hands are a little bit messy. So as for these, oh my gosh, they're just so gorgeous. So I did pick up two of these from Home Depot, and oh, I love them. I absolutely love these. So this is the second pot that I did show you, that I did pick up. I don't think I did mention this, but what I do love about these pots is the fact that they do have a little drainage hole here. So you could either add soil and actually pot up plants. As for these gorgeous hydrangeas, what I do want to do is to just pop these right in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It fits perfectly. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love these. I mean, how gorgeous is this? Oh, it is just so absolutely beautiful. It goes perfectly. These pots, oh my gosh, you can pot up literally any plants here, or do what I just did and just put the planter into this one. Oh my gosh, I just love these. Love, love, love. So I do, like I've mentioned, I did pick up two of these planters and two of these lovely hydrangeas. So right now, what I'm going to do is to just dot them around on the patio, and they're just going to fit in perfectly with this decor. So let's do that right now. But before I do that, let me just show you how I'm going to be styling up the other pots. So let me just put this beautiful and very heavy baby at the side right here for now. As for this planter here, I do have this lovely little fern that I do have primarily in my primary bedroom. It's looking a little bit sad and the pot is feeling a little bit light at the moment. But anyways, I'm going to go in and give it a little bit of a hydration. But as for this, all I'm going to do is just plop this in here, kind of like that. And oh, how lovely does this look? Absolutely love this. I just love being surrounded by plants, whether it's here on my patio, in my living room, or especially in my primary room. This is just so lovely. So this I'm going to have in my primary bedroom. Let me just put it at the side real quick. I also have this really beautiful hosta that I think would look really lovely potted up in here. And as you can see here, it is about to go into flower, which is just so lovely. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to pot it up in here as yet, but this is another option that I'm absolutely loving. It would look so nice in this little pot right here. So I just love this. Love, love, love. So that's another option as for this. But let me just grab the other hydrangea so we can just pop it into that other pot. Okay, friends, so here is the other beautiful hydrangea that I do have. I'm just gonna pop it in here, and oh my gosh, these are just so lovely. So beautiful. And the other one, I did remove this little support right here. I think I might remove this one and just save it for later. But oh, how beautiful are these? Just so lovely. I am just so happy with these. So happy. Anyways, now it's time for me to go ahead and put them in their little home. So let's do that right now. With a corner where I've placed the other hydrangea and the planter. And oh my goodness, I am loving it. I love all the white that I'm seeing right now. And oh my goodness, can you see my peace lilies? They are about to put on such a show. Almost got damaged from the freeze that we had here in South Florida. So this is what the leaves are looking like. But oh my goodness, she is just putting on such a show. I went in and gave them a little organic fertilizer because on the second night of the freeze that we had in Florida here, I came outside and I was like, oh my gosh, because peace lilies, they're quite dramatic little plants. So I came out and I was like, oh no, they're getting burned. So I immediately brought them into the garage and I gave them some natural fertilizer, organic fertilizer, and oh my goodness, they are about to put on such a show. I mean, look at all these blooms. I absolutely love peace lilies as much as they're just such dramatic plants. But oh my gosh. And here, as you can see, I have the other hydrangea, which it's in the beautiful pot that I got from Walmart. And this one right there, I didn't pot it up completely as yet. I'm not quite sure if I want to put the hosta in there, but that's what it's looking like right there. And the black one right there, I just went ahead and popped some pine cones in there. Some of those pine cones I've literally collected when I went to Europe. On vacation, I'm always bringing home weird stuff. But this little area is just making me so happy. Oh, and this one right here, she's about to put on a show too. This one didn't get as much damage from the cold that we had. I think because it was tucked away in this little corner right here. And that one is like right out in the elements. So yeah, but she's also about to put on a show and I cannot wait. This is the fertilizer that I do use. I got this off of Amazon. I've been using it for quite some time now. So this is what I do use to fertilize my potted plants, like my indoor plants or my patio plants, and it does an amazing job. The plants seem to love it. So yeah, I've just been using this and look at all the blooms that are about to come out on my peace lily. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait for them to fully open up.